right? Quick introduction on how to start a Google Classroom. So here you are on Google, right? Right now I'm using Google Chrome as you can see, but we're here on Google. You're going to click on the dots. What you're going to do is you could scroll down, but what we're looking for here is the classroom. Okay, this is our Google Classroom. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. What you're going to do is you're going to come up here to the plus sign to create or join a class. You're going to be creating one. You'll create class. You'll click here and you'll continue. Okay, and you'll have one. Now what's going to happen is you're going to name your class, and this one, for instance, is Coach King's Freshman PE. You have 0 students at the moment, so once after you created it, you click on it. You'll go to People, and right here under Students, you can begin to invite students, and this is where you type in their name or their email address, and you can add all your students at once. So enter all their email addresses, press invite, and you invite them, and they'll add the class. All right, if you have any questions, let me know.